Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, click on my phone, and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and scroll down in last and click on system. Now scroll down and click on reset phone, and then click on reset Wi-Fi settings. It will also reset mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. Now click on reset. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.